So I'm back.
Hey, so you're back, and now we begin the
Yeah.
fourth live stream of Weekday Eye, our weekly show, but our weekly live stream where we generate from inside of Comfy and our tool that we're building, our production system tool on top of Comfy as a layer on top of Comfy. And it's still very early days, and but today we're gonna try to generate some characters using our parametric system where we actually pick different parameters to create a character, and instead of writing prompts, and we have a like a prompt template in the background. And we're also going to see the differences between Nano Banana 2 from Google, their latest image generation or image edit as well model, and Recraft V4, which is another AI model.
Yeah.
But let
Yeah,
me.
so let's check
Okay.
this out. So actually we have this prompt parameter system that lets you go really specific on what you want to create. You have age range, you have gender representation, cultural style, human build, and so on. There are quite a few parameters, and if you don't select anything, it's just basically going to create a human. So in this use case, you want to create a human character portrait that later can be used in, for instance, to create a character sheet. So this lets you go how deep you want or keep it really, really specific. Now I just generated like a person in a photo studio, but let's go set some values.
Yes.
So how
Okay.
about age?
I'm thinking we should go for 30s, mid 30s this time.
Yeah. So we'll go for the mid 30s. Gender representation,
Non-binary.
non-binary,
We're
fluid.
we're trying to create like an art director person.
Yeah, yeah.
This is very, I mean, of course, that person could be any type of gender representation or presentation, but yeah,
Yeah.
this is what we're picking for this one. And the next one,
So I thought maybe urban streetwear could be cultural style.
yeah.
Then we have attitude. Should it be maybe like fierce and intense?
Well, I have a few suggestions. So I don't know if we should go with like the ones I have, or if we
Sure.
just
Yeah.
freebase. So
Okay.
go back to character cultural style and pick
Yeah.
bohemian.
Okay.
And
And
the attitude should be mysterious.
mysterious, human build,
Slim and long-legged after that.
long-legged,
And medium,
medium, skin tone, face
yeah,
shape,
heart
heart,
and freckles light
freckles light,
for the facial features, and eyebrow shape natural full.
full,
And then full and relaxed for the next two.
full, lip shape and relaxed expression.
Yeah, and
Okay.
let's just say that all of these you don't have to do always. I mean, you can, but now we're picking all of them. But
Yeah.
then you can sort of create presets, and you're also gonna just leave it blank and let the AI model, you know, choose for you.
Yeah. Yeah,
But
that's what we did with the first image.
yeah,
This is
exactly.
actually
But
just
this one, we're sort of narrowing it down. So
yeah.
after that, it's hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hair.
this one has quite long hair. It's a bohemian,
So very long, I guess.
not long, like,
Okay, long.
yeah, and wavy
Wavy,
and light brown, auburn.
light. There's no light
Okay,
brown.
pick another one then. I mean,
Um, Buzz long curly.
yeah. Well, oh, okay, so this is not the color.
This is the
Oh,
hairstyle.
okay, not curly. I mean,
Yeah.
if it was, if there's something less curly, like wavy or something.
We already said hair length long, so this should be something that works. So ponytail,
Yeah,
casual.
yes.
Okay, hair color, light brown
Light brown,
or um, human hair parting.
middle,
So
and then
volume.
uh, pick one. Just pick one.
Okay, high volume. I don't
Yeah.
actually know what that is, but okay. Top type. So this is that
Blouse,
loud.
and then silk. So
The
they
fit.
wearing a blouse,
Cropped, filtered, oversized, regular, relaxed.
relaxed, and
Wave of color.
off white, and
Uh,
then a pattern.
uh, pattern. No, this is the bottom type. Biker shorts,
Oh,
cargo
okay, okay.
pants,
Bottom trousers wide,
trousers. Bottom fit. Wide.
wide, and
Color.
olive, the color.
Olive. Outerwear type.
Uh, l- if we don't want him to or they
We'll
to
just skip
wear,
it, I
yeah.
guess.
Okay, footwear,
Footwear type.
boots, ankle boots.
Boots, ankle. Eyewear.
Uh, round, retro,
To round.
and no headwear,
Okay, that's
and then necklace layered.
Nicholas isn't here right now.
Ah, okay, okay.
Gaze. Character gaze. Direct eye contact, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, so let's try it first with Nano Banana, and I ch actually chose another aspect ratio, 9:16, so it's easier to fit into the window.
Oh, okay.
Let's try it.
No, you mean 69.
69, yeah. No,
Yeah.
9:16.
Ah, okay, so it's gonna be standing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Vertical.
It's gonna be easier to see, I think, in the broadcasts.
Okay.
So Nano Banana is thinking.
Okay, so this is a female character. It was supposed to be
I think that non-binary fluid is quite difficult, probably.
ah, okay. But what if we pick a male character instead? I mean, non-binary, yeah, it's quite difficult for the model to understand. It would
Yeah,
be interesting to see the male version of this.
yeah. So the same one with long wavy hair.
I mean, if you zoom in, she's got the eyewear, the rounded eyewear, and I mean,
Now
okay,
it's a dude. Yeah,
yeah, this is more bohemian. Okay,
yeah.
yeah, the trousers are a bit short, but
That's a
uh,
solid choice.
yeah, okay.
So we
So
could actually try. We could try compare same prompt with Recraft
yeah,
to a comparison.
could we put them alongside,
Yeah,
like next to each other?
let's do a text to image Recraft with the same prompt.
I mean, the silk blouse looks more like linen or something, or I don't know, but maybe it's silk. Not
So
sure.
something standing to, let's see, this one maybe. We could do a stitch with these two images. We'll do the Nano Banana and the Recraft.
Hmm.
We'll save both images standalone and then also the stitched version to compare. Okay.
There's
So
no pattern. Or maybe it's the pattern is really small, or I'm not sure about that. What happened to that instruction? Maybe we should just.
I don't think there's a pattern.
Okay, I thought. No, okay, we didn't pick that. Okay, sorry. That was
Should
a.
we try some other parameters or
Yeah, maybe that one was a bit. I don't know. Okay, let's try another one. But or maybe we should just change some small things because it takes quite some
yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, do some changes with
Maybe urban streetwear.
yeah.
And maybe the attitude shouldn't be maybe fierce, intense.
And not as that long hair, maybe.
Yeah. So let's do hair length short.
Okay. Should we remove the eyewear and put on a headwear instead?
Yeah, sure. So let's do the different haircuts. Maybe like a buzz cut. And so let's see. Outer, we don't have outerwear.
I mean, we need to change the clothes if it's a streetwear.
Yeah.
This could actually lay further on. If you pick urban streetwear, then of course not all of the it could change maybe the parameters under.
Yeah, it will. But let's
Mm.
just go through them. We have 30s mid, masculine, urban streetwear, fierce and intense, slim, it's long-legged, medium skin tone. Actually, I gave him a nose piercing now.
Okay.
Eyebrow shape full, relaxed, short hair, wavy, with a buzz cut. Maybe that's a bit strange.
Maybe not a blouse.
Yeah, so let's change the blouse to a hoodie.
Mm.
Relaxed, maybe
Another color,
not
yeah, like
white.
blue or green.
Just a dark blue and maybe some jeans,
Mm-hmm.
more like fitted. I don't know, maybe not that fitted, relaxed
What?
probably. Yeah.
Yeah,
Bottom
and not
color shouldn't be
uh,
olive then. I guess it should be
blue.
blue. So let's do, I don't know, navy. This will
Mm.
be, this all needs to be changed. Retro round. Maybe he should have some other type of like, you have the aviator sunglasses or
Or
not,
maybe no sunglasses at all, so we see his eyes,
yeah.
like no glasses.
Yeah. And here you could do like none or maybe not pick it and it would probably not
What
show.
about headwear? Did you pick anything like a?
It's human head. Yeah, okay. So baseball cap or a
Yeah, maybe that
baseball
one.
cap.
Or if it's another, I can't really see the parameters. It's too small for me, but
But let's do baseball cap to
okay.
keep. Okay.
Okay,
This is gonna generate
2 images.
two images.
Okay.
It's not gonna be exactly the same aspect ratio, but it should be close.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, what
Yeah.
happened?
Actually,
Okay,
the Nano Banana did the baseball cap in the wrong direction, but
wait, so Nana Banana is
left.
to the left. Oh Jesus, he looks
Fierce and intense. That's what we told
oh
Recraft.
very much so.
And I think like
Jesus.
Recraft maybe is already fierce and intense in many cases.
I'm afraid now. He
Yeah,
looks like a serial killer or
yeah.
something.
But maybe just your prejudice. I don't know.
Yeah, but that look,
Yeah, we
okay.
could try another.
They were very
Angle.
different. I mean, the
Yeah,
outputs.
let's do like calm and composed or heroic and determined maybe.
Yeah.
Let's do heroic and determined.
And maybe just pick. Okay, let's just try that and see the difference.
Yeah. I think Recraft is always going for this more intense look.
The background is also different. It's more stylish. The Recraft one is more typical. I don't know. It looks better.
It's
But
lighter.
oh my God. Okay. Now Nana Banana. But Nana Banana, it's not okay. We didn't change the shoes.
Yeah, it's got boots,
So
ankle
it's
boots.
still, I mean, the guy to the right for me, the Recraft one, he looks very strange with the. Was it because you said wide jeans, relaxed jeans? But they shouldn't
Yeah.
be that.
I think since we did like ankle boots, Maybe
Mm.
Recraft wanted to show off the boots.
Okay, okay. What did you
Keep
pick
them
now? Sneakers or?
sneakers clean.
Okay, let's try it again then. See if it works better.
But you can see that Nano Banana is going for more like a standard look of things,
Mm,
and Recraft is really super stylized.
mm,
And right now we need to like optimize the different prompts to make them, because the Nano Banana is more, I guess, more clean and easier to relight and stuff, and Recraft usually has a lot of lighting baked into it.
mm. Yeah, the lighting is better with Nano Banana, right? It's darker. The Recraft one is more, it's not that lit.
Yeah, you have to treat them differently, and right now, yeah, we have to optimize them.
Mm. I
But I
mean
think,
the guy to the right, the Recraft one, the taller one, he feels more like he interpreted, or the model has interpreted the prompt better because it's more, he's tall, he's slim, I mean, the jeans are wide.
yeah, so maybe just like
The
change.
haircut, though, doesn't really fit. The Recraft one, because you said bust, right? Buzz cut.
Yeah, yeah, it's true.
That one didn't really.
Yeah, but we didn't really have time to optimize this.
No, no, no. Yeah.
So
Okay. Let's
maybe we should
see.
just change like the top color.
Yeah.
Just
Maybe change it to a female.
yeah.
Try something
Let's
else.
start with what we're doing. So maybe like
Okay.
thing red, a red top. Maybe let's keep it the same. Just go with a woman.
Mm,
See how that changes.
okay.
Yeah. And one thing
Great.
that's interesting, actually, when we did our tumbling characters, we noticed that Recraft characters are really tall,
They are.
usually like to the more like supermodel-ish
Mm.
standards. I
But
think
this time we actually told, I mean, we picked tall, right? I think we did.
on the body shape, we have slim and long leg.
Long-legged.
Yeah,
So
maybe you can with
I
like
think it,
balance to see.
I
But
mean,
it's good. The Recraft one is shot closer to the camera, so that's one difference. But she seems
mm,
longer as well.
yeah, but she's long-legged and slim.
Yeah,
So we should have tried, since we said that maybe it's more of a model, should try to go for a totally different body build.
yeah. I
Mm,
now picked balance. We'll see if that's gonna make a difference. Maybe.
yeah, I mean the model to the right is more of a character than the other one is more of a general person in a hoodie.
Yeah,
But what happened to the baseball hat? It's just
it's there.
it's there,
It's
but it's not.
like on top of the head more.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just try something else. Let's just try a totally different build, like an older person, um, maybe like 60s.
Okay. 60s early, maybe.
Yeah. And then instead of streetwear, try something else.
Okay. Um,
I,
global modern, maybe.
okay.
Maybe not
Um,
slim, maybe like
no.
average.
Yeah, or maybe what other suggestions? If there's like a full, I can't really see the curvy. Let's pick curvy just to
Okay.
see how Recraft handles that. And instead of remove the nose piercing And also the heroic, determined, like the attitude, change that to something a bit more calmer. Yeah, exactly. And okay, so let's see. What about the hair? Let's change make it straight and make it gray. See if you can pick a gray color, the hair color, instead of light brown.
Okay, let's see.
If we have, yeah, gray, white above. Yes. Okay. You should change the length to the hair also a bit about like to long, like
Okay,
long hair. Hmm? Okay, and not a hoodie, like something else. And then we can try.
so why not a hoodie?
I don't know. I'm thinking we should go for another look.
Okay, hello, a cardigan maybe.
Okay, but it's still jeans
Yeah,
and sneakers. Okay, and remove the baseball cap. Wanna no headwear. Just see if what we get without. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I guess we should
So
also maybe wrap it up quite soon.
yeah, we will. But so there are other models, of course, that you can try this with. But okay, interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still the Recraft one. She's got um double sweaters, or what do you say, like pullovers, or what was it that you picked?
Cardigan.
Cardigans. Yeah. I guess that's what happens when they didn't close it and they need to put something underneath. Or I mean, the model needs to invent something. It looks quite good, the right one. The one to the left is a bit boring, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
I mean, it's not bad, but maybe it's the clothes and
yeah. I like Recraft to create like characters that are not that
mm,
standard.
yeah, it depends, of course, what you're looking for. If you want more people in the background or in the front, or I mean, of course it's different.
Should we do last one? Maybe like a male version of this?
Yeah, change the color, like do something else with the clothes, like not jeans, like something else. I'm thinking we haven't really done a parameter with the dress because that's both top and bottom. We need to
Yeah.
figure that one out too.
Okay, we'll try
Uh,
cargo pants. Maybe like change some colors.
yeah, instead of red, maybe go for like, I don't know, pink or purple or something else.
Um, Burgundy maybe?
That's a bit too close to red. Pick something different than red.
Mustard.
Okay.
We need
Okay.
more options there. So
Yeah. And then there's still jeans or
now we got some cargo pants now. We'll see.
okay. They were blue as I think they were still blue, but
Okay, maybe yeah.
yeah, there's a lot of parameters.
Yeah, and there
But
will be more soon, I think.
yeah, but then of course there will be have to make it easier for people to pick. Okay, went
Yeah.
for a male, another one
Yeah.
for a female. What happened?
Yeah,
What what was it that we picked? Was it a female or a male?
a male.
Ah, okay. Interesting. Okay. Hmm.
It's
Anyway,
the
this
community.
needs some fine tuning.
Yeah.
But the trousers are more better with the Recraft one. But besides that, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I mean, this is very much in the making, and the whole templates behind needs updating, and also the parameters and
Yeah.
but still, to be able to just pick a few different selections and then get different versions of a character is quite powerful instead of rewriting and, copy pasting from. I don't know, Gemini or ChatGPT or something else. So that's sort of what we're going for here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also we're building our own UI on top of this, so it's going to be
Yeah,
easier.
much, much easier. Okay, so thank you for today, and let's continue working with these systems and try to make them much better, reliable, more structured, and easier to understand. And we'll see you next week.
Yeah. See you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye bye. Bye.